Shalom and welcome back to Hebrew with Ben. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the Chirik Nikud sign. The Nikud sign Chirik indicates the vowel E. Similar to Cholam and Tzere, Chirik can also come in two forms: Chirik Male and Chirik Chaser. Let me show you what the Nikud looks like. On the screen, you can see the letter Lamed decorated with Chirik. Chirik is represented by a dot underneath the letter. This is Chirik Chaser. When Chirik is Male, it is followed by the letter Yod as a mother of reading. Let's see some examples. Do you remember the word Zetim from the Tzere Nikud lesson? The first syllable is Ze, created by Tzere Male, and the last syllable is Tim, created by the letter Tav, decorated with Chirik Male. The syllable ends with the letter Mem Sofit. Keep in mind that Tzere Male is represented by a dot and also by the following Yod as a mother of reading. Next word is Sicha. Sicha. The first letter, left chin, is decorated with Chirik Male. It becomes Si. Next, we have the letter Chet, decorated with Kamatz Gadol. The next word is Isha. Take a moment to identify the signs decorating the word, especially the Chirik. The first letter Aleph is decorated with Chirik Chaser. That creates the sound I. Notice how Chirik Chaser is not followed by the letter Yod as a mother of reading. Next we have a right chin with Kamatz Gadol, creating the sound Sha. The next word is Iti. It starts with Aleph decorated with Chirik Chaser and ends with Tet decorated with Chirik Male. Here is a summary of the Nikud Chirik. Chirik Chaser and Male indicate the vowel I. Chirik Male is represented by a dot followed by the mother of reading Yod. That's all for today. In the next lesson, I will show you the Kibbutz Nikud sign. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson.